What's going on, guys? Hope you guys enjoying your day. Today we have a new challenge for you. It's called the Brain Freeze Challenge. I'm unfortunately gonna have to be the one doing it because she's trying to look all ready for a party later on today. Yeah. But it's my turn to try to dump into that tub full of ice cold water basically, until I get a question correct. Let's get started. Time to go downstairs to go get the ice. I have it already filled up all right here. All this lovely dandy stuff. You're way too excited. She's way too excited for this crap. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna get all this ice upstairs. I'm thinking probably gonna put it in this. This is pretty good. And we can start this challenge. And then of course, the most important thing is turn on the water. So I guess I'll also have to, cold already. Let's make sure it's the coldest it can possibly be. I'm gonna die. Feel how cold that water is. Stop cussing me, I gotta keep bleeping everything out. That is freezing cold. My hand is numb, and then I gotta put ice in it. This is terrible. So to make it even more official, I'm gonna take off the shirt. Pour it all in here. Oh my gosh, terrible. Okay, so it's already cold outside, so clearly none of the ice is melting because the water coming out of the pipes is freezing. And this is how the game is played. If you don't get an answer right, I have to remain inside that ice cold bag.
I'm gonna ask random questions that no one will know.
That no one will know? That's
well,
terrible.
Really hard questions.
How about you do some easy ones so I don't gotta stay in there forever?
You can't get out until you answer a question right.
Yeah, that's how it works. But she came up with all the questions, so I don't know.
So we're doing some random questions and then some like hard history questions.
Yeah, this is to see how us United States history. This is how our education level is, guys, out here. So if I don't know these questions, we're all screwed. Just kidding. There's a lot more people smarter than me. All right, this is where it is. Ah! Holy crap!
Okay, you had to say all the way.
This is the worst part. Okay,
Hurry,
I have something down there. Okay, it's freaking cold. I can't feel my feet. It's frozen. It's like numb. It feels like there's a whole bunch of needles.
Hey, hurry! We had to do it before the ice was.
Okay, go. Hurry up. Ask the question. Hurry up. Don't pause or nothing. Just ask the damn question.
Okay, I'm gonna start off easy.
No, easy. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay, what was I wearing yesterday?
I don't know. What?
What was I wearing yesterday?
Clothes. Bruh. I can't feel my feet. Okay, hold on.
Okay, wrong, so you have to stay there. What's
Hurry.
Abraham Lincoln's middle name?
Abraham Jr. Lincoln? I don't know. I really don't know.
Who was the first U.S. president to appear on television?
Could you say the first president at least? So that'd be an easy one. Woo! Woo! Neighbors are gonna hate it.
Okay, who was the fifth president?
The fifth president was Washington something. Abraham Lincoln? No. Damn it. Hurry, I got hypothermia.
It says, what car was named after Henry Ford's only
Ford. No. Damn it. Hurry, because if I don't get the third one or the fifth one or whatever it was, then you have to dump the ice water on top of me, and that's not, I don't want that. So hurry up, ask the question. I feel weird.
What is the capital of Illinois?
I don't know. I got one more question before you gotta dump the rest on top of me, and this is not gonna be good. Ask the damn question, but taking so damn long. Stop moving, I thought you had the answer or the question already.
What?
I feel funny.
What color underwear am I wearing?
What?
What color underwear am I wearing?
Black. No. The black is always sexy.
I changed them.
You changed them. Blue. White. You have to dump that on me. Not my hair though, because my hair. You just dump the water. Don't be mean and get all the ice. I swear to God. Like right here. I gotta get ready for the party. So. No, not my hair, because I gotta get ready for the party.
You can do your.
Okay, go.
What's your favorite color?
Pink! Pink! I know that one.
You got it wrong the other day.
I know. That's why I got it right this time, because I know it. That was terrible. Okay, go. Next question. Next question. Alright, I need to get this right. Freezing cold. What's taking you so damn long? You're supposed to have questions already.
What flavor is my shampoo behind you, but you can't look at it?
Strawberries and cream. No, watermelon. Freaking roses, damn it. I can't breathe. You don't understand, I can't breathe. Where are you going? Freaking balls of wiener are gonna be stuck inside of me already. Oh, that's not family friendly. Take a look. Woo! Where'd it go? No, just kidding. It's actually a big one, just so you know. That's why she married me.
Okay, here's a trick question.
Okay, hurry up.
The trick question is, if I have 6 teacups.
6 teacups, okay, go, hurry.
If I have 60 cups,
60 now? What the hell happened to 16?
60.
I don't know, hurry up, I'm getting itchy, I'm getting cold.
So if I have 6 teacups, how many cups do I have left if I take one away?
15. Well, you said 60 or 15? Or 16?
I said 6 teacups.
60. And you take away 1.
Mm-hmm.
59. 59. No?
It's like 6 teacups.
You said 60! You said 60! Freaking liar!
It's a trick question.
I ain't trying to get poured on again, damn it, so. Come on, my legs, they're so numb, I can't feel them. That's how bad it is. The lips are probably purple.
You're like all red.
Yeah, hurry up, I'm cold.
How many questions am I?
I don't know, do I get them right? Hurry, give me one.
Right?
Give me one. Yeah, but like, that was too, just go.
Who was the last president?
Obama! No, I'm just kidding. President Trump. I know that one. He's the last one as of right now. He's the most current one. Right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Get out of here. Woo! Woo! So much water was inside that crowd. Look at it. Let's let it everywhere. Ah! Alright, give me this towel. Ah! My feet are so numb. Like, you take a step. You hit your head.
Ow.
You hit your head?
Yeah.
Okay, my feet, they're so numb. Look how red they are. That's how bad it is. That's how frozen I am.
You told me to look up the hardest question.
I didn't say the hardest. I said some difficult ones. That way, you know, like, so I wouldn't get it so easily because it'd make the video dumb. But like,
You wanted history questions.
yeah, but like not that hard. At least I got the president one, right? I mean, shoot, if I didn't get that one, I'm screwed. That's my commander in chief. You know what I mean?
That was too easy.
I know. Shout out to you, President Trump. You allowed me to win. Thank you. My feet are itchy. Look how red. Look how red they are.
You're so red.
It's not even the camera. Like that's me.
And it
Like,
wasn't
the
even,
camera
like,
probably didn't even make it
hot.
look hot. It was cold.
Cold. It looks like you got burned.
Look at all the ice melted. It melted because it's all pure ice cold water in there. Heck with you. I don't like you.
Basically all torture.
It was what?
That was basically just.
It was torture. Explain to the camera what you just said.
I said it was basically all to torture you, not even funny.
No, that's not what you said. Tell him the other F word you said. It was what? It was what?
It was fun.
Fun? Yeah, it's not fun. Fun for you, not for me.
Not for you.
You're next.
I'm not going to.
I'm just kidding. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, share it, let everybody know about it, and hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed because we're going to do more challenges like this. And if you guys want to see her do it,
If you want me to do it,
then you guys definitely have to go and subscribe. And comment down below what other challenges you guys think we should do. Or I guess me, because she's the one that's always scared to do stuff. But if you want to see more of her, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what type of challenges you want to see. That right there was some freezing cold water. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button. Adios.